Hey everyone, we are back with a new vlog. Today is our last evening in Rome, and we both are not able to get over the beautiful days we have spent in this amazing city.
So just like Susha had mentioned हमारे पिछले vlog में, this evening is totally dedicated to buying gifts or souvenirs for people back home, and of course getting that fridge magnet, which is everybody's favorite. So what we're trying to do essentially in this vlog is that हम आपको ऐसी जगह दिखाएंगे near Roma Termini where you can get these things for cheap. When I say cheap, of course आप इंडिया के साथ मत compare करना, but cheap in terms of Roman standards. But yeah, so that's what we're gonna do. But in the same vlog itself, we'll also show you places जहाँ पे आपको थोड़ा छुट-पुट खाना मिल सकता है and खाते खाते थोड़ी शॉपिंग कर सकते हैं. So the idea is to base this off near Roma Termini so that you all can spend some time here, shop for your friends, shop for yourself, and then go back to India happy. So on the left hand side we have the Roma Termini जैसा मैंने आपको दिखाया, and bang opposite to it you'll find a lot of shops like these, right? Chances are यहाँ पे खाना थोड़ा महंगा होगा, तो आप लोग देख के घुसना, but yeah, on an average 5 odd euros is good enough for a meal here.
Also, for most of the restaurants or cafes here, you'll find the menu boards put outside, so you can take a glimpse of those boards and decide. अगर आपने देखा है कि कुछ में 1 euro का भी होगा, 2 euros का भी होगा, but that will not be in the main menu, so be careful. Those will be like small bakery items or pastries that you can see on the counter, but menu में you can expect costlier items. So yeah, just be mindful about that.
रास्ते के साइड पे ऐसी बहुत छोटी छोटी दुकानें होंगी जहाँ पे लिखा होगा souvenirs for 1 euro, souvenirs for 2 euros. You can always buy that because it's cheap. You'll get nothing cheaper than this. So what you'll get is basically a lot of keychains, a lot of fridge magnets, some more fridge magnets, some scarves, some hats, some bags, some more hats. तो ऐसे ही घूमते घूमते हमने सोचा कि कुछ खा लेते हैं, बिकॉज वी टोल्ड यू राइट कि रोमा टर्मिनी के जस्ट ऑपोजिट साइड बहुत सारी दुकानें हैं. सो दिस इज़ व्हाट वी गॉट वन tramezzini, which is a sandwich, if you could show them. And with that we have gotten one cafe cremoso, which I would assume is coffee with some sort of topping. This entire thing cost us 7.9 euros, which will be about 750 odd rupees in INR. So I guess it's a good deal. घूमते घूमते आपका पेट भी भरा रहेगा and खाने का खाना भी हो जाएगा. So let's enjoy this meal and after this we'll see कहाँ पे क्या खरीदते हैं, आपको इस पर लेके चलेंगे.
स्नैकिंग कर लिया एंड हम फिर से निकल चुके हैं ऑन द रोड्स एंड हम ढूंढ रहे हैं ऐसे सूवेनियर शॉप्स जहाँ पे कुछ यूनिक मिल जाए. बेसिकली इवन दो वी वांट टू गेट समथिंग विच इज़ नॉट heavy on the pocket and also easy to carry, but we don't want it to be the boring old keychains and magnets. So let's see if we can find something new. So we found this postcards here. This has this watercolor finish which looks very personalized, and we have this columns here to write the names and everything. So thinking of getting a few of those. We also found this Mona Lisa blowing the bubble gum, and there are a few other funny ones printed on the back, so you can have these options as well for souvenirs.
So you'll also find some more organized shops here जहाँ पे कुछ और चीज़ें रहेंगी which is slightly different. For example, these cups, these gladiators masks.
So as you just saw, you'll find such shops in Rome selling leather goods. It's slightly on the pricier end, so just do your research and be doubly sure before investing in this, because I am not 100% sure if these are genuine leather goods, but this is also made for good souvenirs.
इटली में इतने सुंदर सुंदर चर्चेस हैं, कौन कहता है कि इटली में आके आपके पैर दुखेंगे तो आप कहीं कुछ कर नहीं सकते। इतने सारे सुंदर चर्चेस हैं, हर एवेन्यू पे, हर स्ट्रीट पे आपको एक ना एक चर्च मिल जाएगा। आपके पैर दुख रहे हैं, आपको भगवान से बात करनी है, आपको थोड़ा साइलेंस चाहिए, आप जाके किसी भी एक चर्च में जाके बैठ सकते हैं। हमें काफ़ी अच्छा लगा। आई वुडंट पर्सनली क्लासीफाई माई सेल्फ एज वेरी धार्मिक, बट दिस इज़ अ ग्रेट एक्सपीरियंस इन इटसेल्फ। दिस इज़ Sacre Cuore, right outside the Roma Termini. You can come here, have a time off, and just relax a little, wind down.
So this is the Roma Termini, and as you just saw, यहाँ पे बहुत सारे shops हैं, the bigger brands of course, and in case you have a layover or if you are planning to stay around Roma Termini, तो आप ज़रूर यहाँ पे आके भी अपना shopping कर सकते हैं. You can also have something to grab and eat here. So it's a nice place, and since Europe का railway system is a very strong one, so the train stations are as good as the airport ones. So let's give you a view.
Still at the Roma Termini, and we found this very oddly satisfying store which is called the Flying Tiger from Copenhagen. For some odd reason everything here is Halloween themed. I'm not sure whether Halloween is coming up, but the collection is so nice. 6 euros, 5 euros, 2.5, 12. What are you looking at? Oh,
See this pumpkin, it's a cute set.
and this one also. इसके अंदर अच्छा सा लाइट रखे. Oh, is that only ring light रखे थे इसके अंदर. But हाँ, maybe Halloween is right around the corner because a lot of decor items and everything. ले सकते हैं इधर से भी कुछ if you're here just in time. But if I were to compare this with something that will be Miniso, I'm not sure आप लोगों में से कितने लोग Miniso गए हैं, but you'll find all of this stuff there. Everything that Sushmita likes, isn't it?
True.
Stationery. Wow. A lot of decorative items, whatnot. You find everything here. सोचा तो नहीं था, बट हाँ, रोम में भी बारिश हो रही है. सो थैंकफुली छाता लेके आए हैं. छाता क्या, हम लोग तो टिपिकल इंडियंस की तरह रेन कोट भी लेके आए हैं. बट एनीवे, वेदर काफ़ी अच्छा है. इट्स नॉट लाइक कि बहुत हैवी बारिश हुई है या हो रही है, जस्ट स्लाइट बिट ऑफ ड्रिजल. बट देन अगेन आवर ट्रिप इज जस्ट स्टार्टेड. हु वुड वांट टू फॉल सिक नाउ? वी आर हेडिंग टुवर्ड्स one of the restaurants now because we want to have something for dinner and then we'll retire for the day. We'll show you around क्या खाते हैं, कहाँ से खाते हैं, and yeah, that's about it.
Look what I found. A tiny Vespa for my Vespa. ये गिफ्ट मैंने खुद को दिया है.
So I think she's the happiest kid today because she has a Vespa herself, a yellow one. तो उसने सोचा कि what better gift to gift yourself. Vespa is of course Italian made. इटली से ही आप उसका कीचेन ले रहे हो. Are you happy?
Very extremely. So guys, ending this vlog and I stay at Rome with this blueberry cheesecake which looks absolutely delicious. Hope आप सबने हमारा Rome series काफ़ी enjoy किया है. So stay connected with us with the next set of places. For now, ciao ciao.